was coming down the interstate, going down towards Greenville, and then my rear end went out from underneath me, and I slid into the ditch.
Ted Jager and his truck have been in this snowy ditch on the side of I-85 for 2 hours now. It may be a little while longer before help arrives.
I call on AAA, and they're coming out here, and then they already had like 3 people that couldn't get me, so they had to call someone else.
Other drivers who ran into trouble left their cars behind. We spotted about half a dozen abandoned vehicles along I-85 between Greenville and Spartanburg.
You're seeing more of them on the secondary roads. When you get out, people got driving a little bit too fast probably, and panicked and got on their brakes and ended up running off in the ditches.
Any abandoned vehicle will be given one of these orange tags, and normally the owner would have 48 hours to come get the vehicle before it gets towed, but officials are easing up on that policy until the weather eases up.
It's a whole lot easier to let that car sit there until this passes, and then we can get out and they can get them all collected and get them cleaned up.
Ted has some advice for anyone who considers heading out into the snowy night.
Stay off the road, because my friend's mom told me that, and I never listened.